how to delete your YouTube brand account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you have created a YouTube brand account, then go ahead and open YouTube and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for settings. Tap on that and now in the interface that you will be led to, under the Your YouTube Channel tab, you will see the option for Channel Managers. So beside the Channel Managers tab, tap on the Add or Remove Manager option you see there, and further, tap on the Delete Account option you see there. You will then be required to enter your password. So enter your password and now tap on Next, and then in the interface that you will then be led to, go through the guidelines shown on the screen and then tap on the check boxes you see there, and finally tap on the delete account option, and with this your YouTube brand account will be deleted. So this was about how you can delete your YouTube brand account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.